Good morning to everyone and welcome to the class. Before vacation, we were in chapter number 9, halves and quarters. So we will continue with the same chapter. Okay. So quickly open Math Magic book, chapter number 9. Math Magic book, chapter number 9. And let us revise that one, this chapter. Okay. Just once we will revise. Yes. Happy New Year to everyone. Yes. I wish this year should be very nice for everyone. Okay. Now let us start the class. Open the Math Magic, and this is chapter number 9, halves and quarters, page number 94. This chapter was started with a story. I think you all know the story, isn't it? The story was division of a chapati. Two cats, they have stolen one chapati from a house and they were just quarreling to divide equally. And in the meantime, one monkey came and he has just taken the advantage of the situation and he has divided the chapati not equally. He has divided the chapati but not equally. So what happened? The two cats, again they were quarreling that side, that portion is bigger, this portion is smaller, and the monkey, he has eaten which one they are saying that the side is bigger, he has eaten that side. Again they are saying that that portion is bigger, so he has eaten from that side also. So like this way he has eaten the whole chapati, and the two cats, they were just what, they became fool and they were just looking to the monkey, just staring to the monkey, isn't it? So this was the story, and after that, half of half, that means the division of one whole chapati. And see the picture, they have divided the whole chapati into two equal sizes, isn't it? Two equal parts, since there were two cats, and if there were four cats at that time, they have divided the chapati into four equal parts, and that is called the quarter, or half of half. Half of half. Okay, so it is called quarter. So this way the whole chapati is being divided first into two equal parts with the two cats, within the two cats, and then into four equal parts for the four cats. Okay, so this was for the half and for quarter, that is 1 by 4. Next comes next there was a chocolate bar, and in that chocolate bar, it is 6 pieces were there. There is one chocolate bar, and in that chocolate bar there were 6 pieces, and this 6 pieces was equally divided among two friends. That means 3 of them have got to one friend, and the other, she has also got 3 pieces of out of the 6 pieces. That means half pieces have gone for one friend, that is Reena, and the rest half, it is gone for the another friend, that is Rani. Okay, so this was the division of chocolates into two equal parts. Next it was given that you have to draw two triangles in such a way that they should form a shape. And I think I have given this one as homework to you. You will do it in the copy. You have already done in the book, but you should do it in the copy also. Okay, the two triangles, you have to keep it in such a way that it will form one shape. Okay, and after that, the topic was rectangle was given, and you have to divide the rectangle into half by 5 different ways. So you have divided that rectangle into half, and you have to divide it in 5 different ways. I think we have done up to this into 5 different ways, isn't it? So I think we have completed this one into 5 different ways. Okay, now come to the next topic, many ways to make quarters. From this we have to start. So come to page number 97. Topic is many ways to make quarters. Yes, here you are writing for the submission. Listen, the submission will be given by the school, not by me. Okay, so don't ask me, because the dates, all types of dates, it will be given to you in the website or in this Skype only, but by the school, not by me. Okay, so This is my request. You complete it whenever the date will be given to you. On that date, your parents will submit it. Okay. But you should be ready with the completed project. The project should be completed. Okay. So any date they can give you. So be ready with that date. Yes. See, many ways to make quarters. I make 4 parts like this. Each part is a quarter and I can write it as 1 by 4. It means 1 part out of 4. Now see, the boy, he has divided the rectangle into 4 parts. And 1 part, it is equals to 1 by 4. Why it is equals to 1 by 4? Because we have taken 1 part out of 4 parts, or we have taken 1 piece out of 4 parts. That's why 1 part is equals to 1 by 4. Okay. Whenever it is told part, that means it is given in fraction. Clear? It is given in fraction. Now come to the next one. In how many different ways can you cut a rectangle into 4 equal parts? Draw 5 different ways. Now see, again here 5 rectangles are given and you have to divide this 5 rectangles into 4 equal parts. Previous one, it was half. It was 2 equal parts. You have to divide the 5 rectangles. Now you have to divide the 5 rectangles into 4 equal parts. Okay. Now you do it in the book and afterwards you will do it this question in the copy. Clear? Now you do it in the book and afterwards you will do this question in the copy. Clear? Upashana syllabus will also be uploaded in the YouTube or in the website. Okay. Yes. Now take out the scale and pencil and divide it in the book. But remember, you have to complete this question in the copy. Okay. Yes. See, I am dividing freehand because I have not taken the scale. This is page 97. Page 97. Suppose this one is the rectangle given. First of all, you have to divide this rectangle into 4 equal parts. So, divide it vertically. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This one is little bit bigger. So, I have to rub this. You divide it equally with the help of the scale and pencil. Now next you draw the rectangle and divide it horizontally into 4 equal parts. Divide it horizontally into 4 equal parts. Clear? Now third way to divide it, like this way, into 4 equal parts, isn't it? Next, again divide it diagonally into 4 equal parts. Now the fifth rectangle. Fifth rectangle, you divide it like the boy has done. You will match with the corners. You will match with the corners, okay? In some different ways also you can do. In some different ways also you can do. It is not mandatory that whatever I have shown you have to do the same. You can do of your own also, okay? But it should be equal. It should be equal, okay? However you are dividing the rectangles, it should be equal. Clear? Yes, quickly do it in the book. The next one, Can you check if they are equal? Yes, they are equal, isn't it? So you will write in the book, yes, they are equal. Yes, they are equal. Completed? Now come to page number 98, cutting the cake. All of you have completed. All have completed. All of you have completed, na? Class 4, write in the chat box if you have completed. Okay, come to the page number 98, cutting the cake. The new topic, cutting the cake. I am reading the topic, you just go through it. Rajni's father brought a cake. She divided the cake into 4 equal parts. For herself, for her brother Raju, her father and her mother. Now see, Rajni's father, he has brought one cake for Rajni. And Rajni, she has divided that whole cake into 4 equal parts. Now why for 4 equal parts? Because there are only 4 members. One for herself, one for her brother Raju, and one for her father, and one for her mother. That means the whole cake is being divided into 4 equal parts, and this 4 equal parts is, out of 4 parts, 1 part for mother, 1 part for father, 1 part for Raju, and 1 part is for Rajni herself. Okay. Now see the first one. Color each share with different colors. Now the cake, it is given and it is divided into 4 equal parts. You have to color the different colors. You will use different colors to color the different parts for the cake. Okay. That means if you are coloring Rajni's part for orange, then you will color Raju's part as green, mother's part as yellow, and father's part as blue. Okay. So in the book only this coloring you will do. Next one. How much does each get? Now you have to answer how much does each get. What part or what fraction each of them have got. Quickly write in the chat box. What part has each of them has got? Write it in the book. Sorry, write it in the chat box. What part each of them has got? See, suppose this is the cake. Okay. Suppose this is the cake and this part is for Rajni. This part is for Raju. This part is for father, and next comes the mother. Okay. So out of whole 4 parts, 1 part for Rajni, 1 part for Raju, 1 part for father, and 1 part for mother. That means what is the share for Rajni? Share for Rajni is 1 by 4. That means out of 4, only 1 part is for Rajni. Similarly, out of 4, 1 part is for Raju. Out of 4, 1 part is for father and 1 part is for mother. That means for everyone, the answer is 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. That means it is quarter. So, answer number 2. First one you have to color. Second one, the part you have to write how much does each get. It is 1 by 4 or quarter. 1 by 4 or quarter. Each one has got 1 by 4 part. Okay. Now come to the next one. Mother gave her share of cake to Rajni. Now color the total part that Rajni will get. Now mother, she has given her part to Rajni. See, look to the picture. Suppose mother she has given to Rajni. That means, wait a minute. Let me write father here and mother here. mother and father. Now see, what mother has done, she has given her part to Rajni. That means now Rajni is with this two part, isn't it? This part and this whole part. This one was Rajni's, now mother, she has also given the part. That means these two portions are for Rajni. That means from the whole 4 parts, 2 part is for Rajni. Or from the whole cake, half Rajni has got and half cake is being divided between Raju and father. Isn't it? This half Rajni has got. Okay, so what will be the answer? Out of 4 parts, Rajni will get 2 parts. Okay, out of 4 parts, Rajni will get 2 parts. You will color this whole portion with orange, as Rajni was orange, so you will color this one also with orange in the second figure. In the second figure, you will color it half of the cake with orange. Okay, and you will write in the blank that Rajni will get 2 parts. So we can write, so she can write it as 2 by 4. So she can write it as 2 by 4 or 1 by 2. 2 by 4 or 1 by 2. Okay, so the answer is 2 parts, and when you are writing in fraction, it is 2 by 4 or 1 by 2 part Rajni has got, because her mother, she has shared her part with Rajni. Clear? Clear? Okay students, today up to this only. Whatever we have done in the class, you once more, you read it, you go through it, everything, and the coloring part, I have given you homework, so you will color it in book. Whereas the drawing, that you will do it in your copy once again. That means the rectangles you have to divide into 4 equal parts, that you will do it in the copy. And previously I have already given you that to divide the rectangles into 2 equal parts, that also in the copy. So those who have not done, they will do it, and those who have done, they will do the next one, that is the rectangles divided into 4 equal parts. Okay, 5 different ways to divide the rectangles into 4 equal parts. So this is the homework to you, and once more you read the portion what we have done today, otherwise it will just wash out from your brain. Okay, so that's all for today. Bye all of you.